ولتقديم العرض حول العلوم ألتمس من الأخ علي سلمان بأن يتشرف إلى المنصة.
Now a science presentation will be done by grade 6 student Ali Salman.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ali Salman. Today my topic of presentation is the human immune system. What is the immune system? The body's defense against organism, malfunctioning cell and foreign particle. This is the example of healthy red blood cell. After infection, effect on a human body. There are 3 lines of defense in our immune system. We will discuss one by one. The first line of defense, skin. The dead outer layer of our skin, known as epidermis, forms a shield against invaders, secret chemicals that kill potential invaders. This is the microscopic example of epidermis. Mucus and cilia. As you breathe in foreign particles, bacteria bumps into mucus throughout your respiratory system and become stuck. Hair-like structure called cilia sweep this mucus into the throat. In base we have connective tissue. Above we have 2 cells. Ciliated cell which transport mucus, goblet cell which produce mucus. Saliva. Saliva contains many chemicals that break down your bacteria. This is the example of child. In child, there is high production of saliva compared to adult. Stomach acid. In our stomach, there are very strong acid which break down our food. Acid present in our stomach is known as hydrochloric acid. Now we have discussed the first line of defense. This is the example of our food pipe. But it is not a real food pipe. It is a plastic tube. The food is digested within the hole in the tube. But it never actually enters in the solid plastic material. Tube outer surface is our skin. Plastic interior is our body. Tube inner surface is our digestive system. The second line of defense, white blood cells. If invaders actually get within the body, then white blood cells begin their attack. This is the example of white blood cell and invader. As you can see, invader enters in our body, white blood cells are surrounding them and attacking. There are many types of white blood cells in our immune system. We will discuss the main, phagocytes. These white blood cells are responsible for eating foreign particles by engulfing them. This is the example of phagocytes. As you can see, phagocytes are surrounding bacterium and attacking. Viruses. Viruses enter the body, hijack their organelles, turn cell into a virus-making factory. Our cell look like this before infection. But after infection, in one cell, thousands of viruses attack. The third line of defense, antibodies. Most infections never make it past first and second level of defense. Those that do trigger the production and release of antibodies. This is the example of antibody. The circle shape is antibody and the curved shape is antigen binding site. Antibody production. White blood cells gobble up invading particles and break them up. This is the example of antibody production. Resistance to a disease causing harmful substance. There are 2 types of immunities in our immune system, active immunity and passive immunity. In active immunity, we produce antibodies. But in passive immunity, we don't produce antibodies. A mother will pass immunities to her baby. AIDS, the modern plague. AIDS is also known as acquired immune deficiency syndrome. The HIV, human immune virus, doesn't kill you. It weakens your immune system. When your immune system shuts down, common disease that your immune system can defeat become life-threatening, can show no effects for several months, up to 10 years. This is the example of a person. As you can see, the person have AIDS. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Jazakallah.